Imagine slicing open an aloe leaf and consuming the gel directly from the plant. Our signature aloe vera drinking gels are as close to the real thing as you can get. Aloe vera has natural cleansing abilities that help the digestive tract absorb nutrients from the food we eat, while unique polysaccharides and other nutrients help to support the immune system and natural energy levels. Certified by the International Aloe Science Council for potency and purity, Forever's nutritional aloe vera drinks combine hand-harvested inner leaf aloe vera gel with natural fruit juices to provide all of the amazing benefits of aloe, just as nature intended. Our aloe vera drinks are rich in vitamin C, gluten-free, and are now more natural with no added preservatives. The new manufacturing process also results in 300% more vitamin retention in our inner leaf aloe vera gel. Each 1 liter gel drink comes in Tetra Pak packaging, made from 100% recyclable materials, so that what's on the outside is as good as what's on the inside. Forever Aloe Vera Gel provides 99.7% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel. Forever Aloe Berry Nectar pairs 90.7% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel with the refreshing zing of cranberries and sweet apples for a delicious taste and powerful antioxidant support. Forever Aloe Peaches provides 84.5% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel with natural peach puree for a robust drink with a delicious sweet taste. Forever Aloe Vera Gel, Forever Aloe Berry Nectar, and Forever Aloe Peaches. Enjoy all of the amazing benefits of pure aloe vera with no added preservatives, and experience the power of aloe vera, just as nature intended.